Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this creepy Halloween DIY that I made for you. And I recently shared a video on the materials that I would be using for it, but at the time of that video I had not thought of that couple. I got that couple from these pages. These I got at my favorite thrift store, and I have doubles of some of the decorative paper sheets that I bought, and some of them have babies and other people and all that, but I selected this couple here. They just look the creepiest to me, so I cut them out and placed them all the way in the back. Now what you see as the black and white striped lines, that is also decorative paper covering two pieces of cardboard evenly all around. Then I placed those white and black shiny pieces as handles for those doors. I also added some spider LED lights that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I have a metal tub here. I have a metal tub and I have a metal grandfather clock that I was not using in any of my doll houses, and being that they are smaller than the scale that I normally use, I figured they would go great in this creation here. Now the skulls on the wall, that is also decorative paper. I even placed them on the top and all over the sides and the floor. That's another pattern of skulls. It's supposed to be like a key, a skull shaped as a key. That's what I'm using for the floor. Now this one here, the orange skull, that is a pencil topper. So I got those at the Dollar Tree. I think it was last year. So yeah, so all this here is taking place inside of this little wooden box shaped as a house. I had gotten these at a community yard sale. I got like 4 of them. And yeah, here it is. This is what I did with one of them. So I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.